Okay, can I just say something crazy?
I love crazy.
All my life has been a series of doors in my face. And then suddenly I bump into you.
I was thinking the same thing. Cause I've been searching my whole life to find my own place. And maybe it's the party talking or the chocolate fondue.
But with you
I found my
I
place.
see your face.
And it's nothing like
I've ever known before. Love is an open door.
Love is an open door.
Love is an open door. With you,
With you,
with you,
with you. Love is an open door. I mean, it's crazy.
What?
We finish each other's.
Sandwiches?
That's what I was gonna say.
I've never met someone who thinks so much like me.
Jinx! Jinx again! Our mental synchronization can have but one explanation. You
And I
were
just meant to
be.
say goodbye.
Say goodbye to the pain of the past. We don't have to feel it anymore.
Love is an open door.
Love is an open
door.
Life can be so much more
With you,
with you,
with you,
with you. Love is an open door. Can I say something crazy? Will you marry me?
No.